All right, and we're live. There we go.
We are definitely alive.
We are alive.
Music licensing reimagined.
Actually, let's get this going here.
CPI pushed the price up at what, 8 o'clock, 8:30.
8:30. Yeah. There's
Coffee is ready. Coffee is ready right at the open. Good deal. I like it. I like it a lot.
We got 3 minutes to the open here.
Very good. All right, CPI was at 8:30. I got a new Top 1 Futures account.
Is that straight funded or is that
Yeah, I don't know. If I can do a straight to funded, I'm going to. I'm not messing around with taking a test if I don't have to. Good morning, Darren. You're already short. What? You're short.
You're gonna get smoked. Yeah, be careful. Usually if I say that to Nick, Nick's like, well, why don't you get out of that trade then?
When did you go short and on what is the actual question? Good morning, Terrence. Mr. Take the Money and Run.
Morning, Terrence. Good morning.
Speaking of Terrence and taking the money and run, I requested full payouts on 7 of my accounts last night.
Killer.
He's got a shirt at 35 on ES. Let's take a look at that.
He's got a shirt on at 35. Okay.
Oh yeah, you're gonna get smoked. Sorry, buddy.
Artlist.io.
It's only just in drawdown? Gotcha.
Oh, all right. Yes. Short of 35. The price is at 38.
9.
39.
10 seconds.
Darren, I'm tempted to fade you just to
see.
Just for shits and giggles here.
Music licensing reimagined.
And I would have got smoked. And I'm long.
Whoa, Dow's ripping like no tomorrow right now.
And I'm out. All right. That was a quick $100.
Sweet. That'll get your heart racing in the morning.
Normally, I won't take anything until after 9:45. Today is going to be an exception for this.
I think I'm going to open up. Might get an eval open here.
Music licensing reimagined.
And now I'm long on the Dow.
Me too. In this eval. I'm already stopping in profit here. Whew. That thing
and I hit my max daily profit on
Artlist.io.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna do a little dance.
Killer.
Max daily profit on the Top 1 Futures account. And locking this one out. And switching over to a new basket. Hey, not bad. I've had that account for literally 20 minutes.
Nice. I just closed that trade too. Up 100 and I was up 180 and now I'm up 350 on this account, this eval. So
nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
Don't really want to risk the funded account, but right out of the gate here. Why not?
That.
If I'm gonna break my rules, might as well trade something with less importance.
I get that.
All right. Now that I took that trade, I'm going to get some VWAPs. We kind of rejected that value area high on the ES.
I think today I'll be trading by prop firm.
Oh yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Why are my orders being rejected here?
Are you on top one? All right, Project X.
No, I am on my funded futures on Trade-Evade.
Artlist.io.
You lost $50. All right, Darren.
It's
Seems like
50
your
bucks.
stop was pretty tight then, for sure.
Artlist.io.
I got a real tight on this ES long.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm sure too on MES 68.47 tight stop as well, Jordan. 47. Oh, that's a good entry at the moment. That's 47. That's basically value area high.
Artlist.io.
I'll be watching for a potential short here on
Reimagined.
ES for that midnight open retracement trade. If that plays out.
What was midnight?
Midnight open price is on ES is 67.88, and we got the point of control at 68.04. So, and which looks like it's been a pretty key level, especially after the London session.
IO.
It's been holding really solid. So, the POC.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Go, man, go. I want ES to drop like another 10 points.
Did you take it short? Or are you looking to
Yeah.
long it?
No, I took a short. I initially went in with a long. I literally canceled it as soon as I put it in.
Gotcha.
It was a stupid move on my part.
Artlist.io.
So now I am short and I'm still down 60 bucks. So
Darren made $30 back there on a short. Nice. Yeah.
deal. Oh,
Music licensing reimagined.
yeah, I'm only trading one mini on this one, and it's this one's a larger account, so at like
Oh, nice.
$40,000 in drawdown in here.
Yeah, I took one mini on that long on that eval account there.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
And
Stopped
just
out with an
added
8-point win.
one more. What's that?
Jordan stopped out with an 8-point win. Nice.
Very good. I just added to that ES short, so I'm in 2 minis.
Music licensing reimagined.
Nice.
See what this does here. If it gets above 68.40, I'm going to cut it, and it's cut. All right. So made $200 on that.
Nice.
So I'm now only down $34.
Oh, sweet.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, it's pretty volatile. That's for sure.
Yeah. Nothing we can't handle here on the Dave and Nick Morning Show.
Music licensing
Yeah.
reimagined.
Standard issue.
Whoa. All right. So I am now up 285 on this.
Nice.
So I'm going to close this one out as well. That's my daily, went past my daily goal. Now I'm going to open the Apex accounts.
Artlist.io.
Today may be a very short trading day for me.
Yeah, I'm in 2 contracts on my 5 TPT copy accounts here. I'm trailing it down. See if we can get a little more momentum. I'm on NQ right now. I'm up about $91 in each of these accounts. Trailing it pretty
Winner.
tight here.
Music licensing reimagined.
All right, I'm out.
Nice trade.
So, yeah, about $90 on that trade, across all 5 accounts, right? Yeah.
All right, Darren
I'm up.
made $30 back. Jordan got an 8-point win, and you're up.
Yeah. Yeah,
Good
I had
morning, people.
60. I think I had $60 in this
Artlist.io.
in these take profit trader accounts. So I put in another 90 there, times 5. So that was pretty good. I bought 5 TPT accounts yesterday, evals.
All right.
Yeah, you should have held
You
the
can't-
short, hey Darren. Yeah.
Music licensing.
You can't get instant funded on TPT.
No, I don't think so. No.
Yeah, I was gonna say I've had accounts with them for a long time, and I never remembered seeing anything about an instant funded. Darren, there are going to be plenty of other opportunities today.
Artlist.io.
I don't think 9:41 a.m. is any time to be worried about your shoulda, woulda, couldas.
Yeah.
I'm going to make a prediction. Darren's going to make
Artlist.io.
$1,200 per account that he's trading today. And I'm going to
That'd
cross
be
my
nice.
fingers for him. He's going to wake up early and trade the BOJ rate hike.
Yeah, that's what he was saying the other day there.
Licensing reimagined.
Or yesterday. 6804.75.
Jordan
I'm
got
looking at
stopped in profit by a tick. Oh, that's... at least you're in
Tina
profit.
Banks. Good morning.
Good
Tina
morning,
Banks,
Tina Banks.
dollars.
Oh, you're an idiot. I love it.
Tina Banks, the dollars.
Payouts. The hell are you talking about? Only trade 325Ks. Can only make 175 per account. So you're going to make 175 per account today. That's my prediction, Darren.
Music licensing reimagined.
No pressure.
Only
though.
170. Yeah. No, that's just a prediction. That's not a you must. Just saying. I have faith in him. He's making good choices, doing the right thing, acting like an adult, not being a pig.
Looking for group. Well, I got 2 minutes on this candle. I'm looking for group. He said LFG in the chat there. I think that's looking for group.
Artlist.io.
I'm looking for that inverse fair value gap right now. If we get a closure below 68.28 on ES here, I'll be looking for a retracement into the 68.30 area for an entry short, targeting at least towards point of control. Maybe it will just target 68.15 on the bottom side.
All right, now I'm in a short ES on my Apex accounts. I got a 10-point stop loss in.
Nice.
It's a single mini. And I just added to it.
Licensing reimagined.
Beautiful.
Artlist.io.
Ow.
Artlist.io.
I cut that trade early before my my stop loss got hit. Just looked at the volume on this green candle and didn't feel like watching it just rip up against me.
I actually entered in that pullback there because I was in that inverse fair value gap.
You entered a long or a short?
Short. I'm in only 3 contracts, so, and this is in my instant funded account with Top One Futures.
Oh, 3. I thought you meant 3 minis. Like,
oh
wow,
no.
That's intense. Well, I'm back in that short. Average price is 68.2975.
Artlist.io.
See what this next candle starts printing and go from there.
Well, this is that mechanical model trade here, so hopefully this.
So I should add another 5 contracts onto it. Yeah.
No comment. I'm currently up $50 right now. Thinking about putting my stop
all my rules today. All right, let's put my stop into profit. Let's just rip down a little bit.
Yeah, I'm stopping it out there too. I only got 21 out of that, because of that pullback there with my stop. So all good. And we're starting to break above that fair value gap. Doesn't mean it's over yet. Still got 1 minute on this candle for this pullback.
Well, you know what? Now I'm only down $65 in these accounts.
Nice. There you go.
I'll take it. It's been an overall winner today.
Yeah. Darren said if you guys are ever looking for another stream, I'd be keen to join in the stream whenever, maybe sometime in the new year. We can chat on Discord. Yeah,
Oh,
I mean,
hell
yeah, the more the merrier for sure.
Absolutely. How long have you been trading?
He's our
Not that it matters. I was just curious.
UK economist.
No shit. You're the UK economist. Sorry, I can't keep people's names, let alone their profession straight. So.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, and he also trades crypto. So.
Yeah, I can't trade crypto. Not because of any. I don't have anything against it or the people who do it. I've tried it. I'm not good at it. I can't read those charts. And yeah, wow.
7 or 8
Same
years.
with
Mainly
Forex.
Forex. Yeah.
Yeah, I can't trade Forex either.
I never traded Forex before, so.
I tried it once and I flattened all my positions and walked away and said I'll never do that again.
Does it move too
Not
fast?
my jam. It's just different.
Yeah.
It's price action on it is weird to me. Couldn't get a read on anything. Nothing centralized. It was really quite an experience, to say the least. Damn, I should have stayed in that short on ES.
I'm back in it, so I entered there. I got my stop now, 71 point into profit here. See, come on, let's get some continuation. Only 2 micros here.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm actually gonna only put it in half a point or 2 ticks into profit. Okay, we got stopped out there, but that's okay.
Now, Darren, are you using midnight price or using midnight VWAP?
Nice quick scalp. Cool.
Artlist.io.
Scalp short, keep it for the day.
Music licensing reimagined.
In another short on ES, just one mini each.
Nice.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
I'm actually in that also right now. See, hopefully we're gonna break this 24 area now. There we go. I'm in my
I just
4 copy
added
traded
to
account.
it.
Blue.
Music licensing
I'm gonna risk about $600 on this trade. It is against me, but I still want to hold this for a few.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, I'm it's going a little bit against me too. I was down like $13 in each account. I got 4 accounts copied right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
Well, it might stop me out though. My stop's not too much above this price currently. But I'm hoping this fair value gap's gonna hold here. Bouncing pretty hard here. I need to cut this.
Yeah, that was a hell of a lot of movement there.
Music licensing reimagined.
$14 on this candle.
Yeah, I got out of that trade. That was $140 loser, actually.
I lost 480 on that one.
Just kept bouncing. So looks like the short pullback might be over. Unless it's right exactly where it stopped me out, it's going to pull back from now.
Yeah, probably. With our luck, that's exactly how it's going to go.
That's typical.
Music licensing reimagined.
Next short is if you only get 2 1-minute candles below the New York VWAP.
Yeah, but right now we're sitting above New York on a strong lift. So it might be 15, 20 minutes if that even happens.
Mm-hmm.
That's weird. My 2 trades prior to opening range being set were winners, and then my one after opening range was set was a loser.
Figures.
Should break my rules more often and then just stop for the day.
Be done before the range sets.
Oh man, that would be, whew, that would be nice. I just pulled up the fair value gap indicator. And it looks like we printed a bullish fair value gap.
Yeah.
Or are printing one. Sorry. Now, generally, when you get a fair value gap printed, you wait until
you got to wait for the next candle to close. Yeah.
So it's not the third, but the fourth one. You wait for that one to close and then make your decisions on that.
Well, you can. Yeah. Well, no, not necessarily. If the second candle closes and it leaves the fair value gap, then you can wait for the pullback into that one. You know what I mean? Like whatever, when the gap is actually formed after the second candle closes, if it pulls back into that fair value gap, you can.
All right.
Close it, or you can take that trade then.
So I think I am going to set up that 100 account challenge for this year.
Yeah. Nice.
Because I ended up took my full payouts on those last 7 accounts. I'm now down to 50. I'm going to see if I can pass another 50 accounts by, pass and take payouts on another 50 accounts by the end of this coming year.
Nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
So right now, Take Profit Trader has their no fee 40 sale going on. If anyone needs Take Profit Trader accounts, no fee 40 means that there's no activation fee on a sim funded account, and it's 40% off for the evaluations. You have a discount code with them, don't you?
I applied for one, but I don't know if I don't have it yet. So I applied for it before they rejected it. I'm not sure why. So I tried applying it again recently.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So I started going all over all of Nina's trades for the past month.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, she sent me a message on our Discord. So I'm going to see if I can help her with some risk management and scaling stuff.
Nice.
So many people are going to get hurt by this. By this lift? You think it's going to drop? Good morning, however. Way to bring it down between here and there. What's that?
His name's Evan. Found that out yesterday.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Well, I'm in this long on ES.
You ready to pull out of that quickly?
I got to stop in profit already. So
very nice.
You're
not doing the
5.
You're not doing the Nick Cannon pull-out method?
Not exactly.
Well, you don't want that many kids?
Here we got it. I got it open now on Trading View so everybody can see. Yeah, I got stopped out in that pullback there. Yeah, Evan's saying we're going to get some pretty heavy sell-offs.
I imagine he is correct.
Artlist.io.
So that was a rejection off value area high on the ES there.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, can't get into anything right now. Now I have to be patient.
Music
Got 248 orders on MES up at 68.50 right now.
Evan's making breakfast to be back. Sounds good.
Good choice. 68.55, we got 223 orders.
Yeah, that's what I was looking at there. Kind of why I was taking it long, and then we rejected there. So I'm looking for possibly a re-entry. We do have a bullish fair value. Yeah, sort of like 841 is the bottom. Although it's
So
erasing it with this this candle. So
we also have a ton of orders down at 840. Get 196 orders at 840. 840.75's got 153. 841.50's got 121. Yeah, I can't really get into anything here. It would just be a degenerate move on my part. So in the meantime, I am going to see what other prop firms I can get counts with. How's that sound?
yeah,
You know what? We're going to shout out Zach Arbucci and say, hey, what prop firm should I get?
Artlist.io.
Just make sure I'm flat on everything here.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
definitely a lot of room to the downside if this was to go lower.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Taking one more stab at this long. Hoping we can get above the value area high and get a little more momentum, but might get, if it's a pretty tight stop, might get stopped out here. Yeah, got stopped out there.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay, well, small loss on that one. I had a pretty tight stop, so.
Yeah. I'm going to be patient, go get some coffee, see what this does over the next 10 minutes.
Yeah,
I'll be back.
I won't be trying that breakout anymore.
Artlist.io.
That's a wise choice. It's coming back down toward New York right now, so see if it rejects it.
Music licensing reimagined.
Right at the New York.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
ES is pushing pretty hard down right now. Well below the VWAP.
Music licensing reimagined.
What did you do to ES? You upset it somehow?
I'm in a short on NQ actually.
Artlist.
Good deal. Good deal.
Trying to be patient here, up 130. I'm trying to just, if I get back to break even on these accounts, I'm probably just going to cut it at that point. watching here.
Music licensing.
Might actually cover 4 here. If I can. So I'm out half of those, which is I only have 2 per account.
All right, I'm going to ask the 4 people in the chat.
Artlist.io.
What's that?
So I'm going to ask the 4 people in the chat and you. So I am going to do that 100 prop firm challenge. See if I can pass 100 prop firms over the next year.
Yeah.
How should I do this? 10 at a time, 20 at a time? Just buy 100 accounts and trade them. I took my payouts yesterday, so I got a 50K
Music licensing. Reimagined.
budget to spend on prop firms.
Damn. Yeah. I mean, I think 10 buckets at 10 is probably a good way to go. I mean, you could buy 50 and then trade them in 5 buckets at 10. Or even
Well, I'm
20.
going to start over from the beginning. I'm going to take full payouts on all of my accounts. January 1st, I'll be pretty much closing out everything.
Gotcha.
Congratulations, Keith.
Nice job, Keith. Good morning.
Reimagined.
I like that. Everybody's up today except for me.
Keith was like, "What kind of witchcraft was that? Is this?" When I was like streaming live last night.
Yeah, I saw your nice stream comment, and I was like, "What the heck? Why are you streaming in the middle of the night on a Wednesday?"
Yeah.
What time were you doing that?
That was just like I
Artlist.io.
think I got in there about 3:30 my time, so 6:30 East Coast
Oh, okay.
for a couple hours. Yeah. I think we ended around 6, so about 3 hours. I took 3 trades and all were winners, so not bad.
That's a good night.
So I got over half of my earlier losses back on that last trade there. So just
Good.
down, I'm still down $100 in 4 accounts. So
Music licensing.
But you were up
reimagined.
a couple hundred and
That's
another
it.
4 accounts, weren't you?
those are my other accounts. Yeah, those are my TPT evals.
All right.
So these are my 4 Lucid funded accounts. So unfortunately, taking the losses in the funded accounts. Took 2 losses there. 2 losses and 1 winner.
Artlist.io.
2 losses, a break even, and 1 winner. Sorry.
Starting to look at YM shorts here. Just erase that bullish fair value gap. It's heading down towards previous day's VWAP or midnight VWAP.
Licensing reimagined.
Oh, there was a tiny gap there. Hey, it's still
There
there
was.
until it's closed.
Oh, it just came back. Yeah, it just came
Yeah.
back.
As soon as that candle closes at 47, that'll invert that guy.
If it closes below 47, I think I'm going to take a short.
Artlist.io.
And we did leave a bearish fair value gap right at the 48,525, which is the right at the VWAP. Oh, excuse me.
Artlist.io.
You up late again last night? I know you weren't playing.
Yeah,
hockey
I
yet.
was late actually. I was making YouTube shorts. So I got one scheduled for today, one scheduled for Saturday, and I got a couple more that I'm trying to get ready.
Music licensing. licensing.
I really need to do that type of stuff.
Yeah, if you're going to get OBS or Opus clip,
US.
OPUS clip, yeah, and then it's like an AI program, right? So then you just kind of like you can take your stream and then you cut it up into like sections of where your trades happen and stuff. Or if you say funny things or whatever, and then you just upload that part, and then it'll automatically make a bunch of clips for you. Then you open
That's
up
cool.
open up the clip and you adjust it a bit, just because you want to like fine tune it a little bit, so you can adjust like the images and stuff like that, and cut some parts out if you don't want to put it, whatever. And then you can also it'll post it to all your accounts also. So you can have it go to like X and to YouTube and to TikTok and to Instagram. So
TikTok, huh?
Yeah, I recently got TikTok just because my mom was telling me that I should get it, and I was like, I think somebody on the stream was also saying I should get one of those too, and I was like kind of reluctant. I got so many platforms, but now with using Opus Clip, it's easy, right? You make your clip, you can post it to everywhere, and yeah.
You know what? Because I neglect the social media aspect of this whole thing, I'm just lazy. There's no other reason for it. I get frustrated dealing with the different accounts, and
yeah, that's a lot of work though, for sure.
Music licensing reimagined.
We did invert
and
that.
let's be and I am short on YM. It's just going to turn around and kill me.
Hope not.
Music licensing reimagined.
There you go. Starting to go.
A little
I'm
bit.
also in that short too. Put my stop slightly in break even right now. Hoping it's gonna just keep going here. No TP on it. We gotta take this low of this candle here. Would be nice. 434.
So I am in my new degenerate accounts right now. I opened up 5 100K Apex accounts to trade as a degenerate.
Oh yeah.
So now I got I'm full up on the 20 Apex accounts. I gotta.
All right. Well, I got stopped out in the money on that one. Small green, bouncing hard. Whew. Turn into a green candle.
Not liking this.
They didn't want to let it go down. That's for sure.
Music licensing reimagined.
ES, NQ bouncing right up to the New York view up on both of them right now.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Market is going red overall. People are starting to realize they're exiting liquidity. Wow, what a bounce there on all of those guys. Just took the VWAPs on NQ, ES. Wonder if they're going to get us past the value area high now. Could think about looking at ES here again for potential
So we're
long.
above New York on YM. I'm back in this long because why not?
Music licensing reimagined.
Holy bounce, yeah. Well, I mean, you might be temporarily long on the wrong on this bounce, but we do have a bearish fair value gap on ES, which we're flirting with right now at 68.42. The way that they're all looking right now, is looking like they want to keep going. So. I can't take this trade again, though. I've already lost this one, small losses twice on this, trying to take the breakout of the value area high.
Oh. So I got 4 minis on this now. Stop loss is set at $95 in profit. And I'm up $5.35 per account.
Nice. Huge bullish fair value gap we left there. Finally peeked through the top of that value area high. Are they going to hold it now? Trying to.
Move my stop loss up to 235. Oh, if this is, it's going to pull back and stop me out.
235?
No, it's going back up. All right.
Oh, 235 in profit.
Yeah.
Gotcha. Still got all those orders up at 55. 50, 55. 200 orders at 50.
All right, I'm up 800 on this, 900.
Very nice.
My take profit up to 475, up 1,000. Moving my take profit to my stop loss to 635.
Figures the time that I don't take this trade, it's when it's gonna work.
Yeah.
Took
That's
2
usually
attempts
the
at it
way it
earlier. I guess I needed to wait for that pullback before they needed the momentum. So they took the orders at 50, but there's not much room to 55 now. What do we have? Do we have anything higher than that?
Just
Nothing
added
really.
one more mini to this.
Nice.
So I'm in with 5 minis. Currently up 780, 830, 880. I'm gonna leave my stop loss open a little bit, so I'm only guaranteed $405 on this trade.
Okay. Well, that's still
$405.
trade.
Yeah, I wasn't complaining.
Yeah. I get you.
Music licensing reimagined.
Ooh, NQ, man. NQ just sort of rejected off the high.
And I'm out. $730 on that trade.
Nice.
Artlist.io.
Oh. Which means I am now up $130 per account on these.
Sweet.
I took that $600 loss. I'm up $730 for this one.
Nice trade.
Yeah, it was $730 on that one. I was down $600, so I'm up $130 on 5 degenerate accounts.
We got a natural gas change coming up in 1 minute.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So, do you know Owen from the
No.
Black Shirt Club?
Nope.
He just sent me a message on the Discord.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I was kind of helping him a little bit with his risk management a while ago.
Artlist.io.
He just sent me a photo of his screen.
Mm-hmm.
Total profits. He's up $1,500 with an 85.45% win rate.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's,
So essentially, for every
Music
$624 that he's lost, he's made $2,128.
nice.
He's doing the negative R multiple trading, kind of like Arbucci.
Yeah.
So he's taking small losses. I mean, his losses aren't huge. It's like his average loss is like $33.
Yeah.
Nice.
Artlist.io.
What's going on with Europe and the farmers? They're storming the capital or something? I didn't see that.
There's always something going on with farmers in Europe.
If Darren's here, he might know because he's over there.
Music licensing reimagined.
Hey, my payouts got approved.
Nice. Which accounts?
What's that?
Artlist.io.
Which accounts were those?
The Apex accounts.
Oh, nice. Yeah, I can't seem to ever, for some reason, I can't seem to sign up for those. It just keeps kicking me out for some reason. I don't know. I tried to grab some before.
You have to use a two-factor authorization thing now.
Licensing reimagined.
Oh, yeah, you were mentioning that.
So you can use Google's Authenticator.
Okay.
Do you have that downloaded in your iTelephone?
Artlist.io.
You looking at ES right now?
Kind of watching NQ at the moment.
Artlist.io.
NQ's looking pretty strong. Just pretty hard for me to take a trade up here, where we're
Yeah,
at.
I'm not taking anything right now.
Licensing reimagined.
We're coming up to a bearish fair value gap on NQ on the 1 hour chart. So we got 26 minutes left on this 1 hour candle. So I'm kind of like eyeballing a short, but with the way it's been so bullish in the last 3 1 hour candles, it's pretty hard to take that short, even though usually the 1 hour fair value gaps are pretty strong.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to take a long too on ES because it's at high of day. Yeah, I mean, it's above a fair value gap. It's at high of day though. And it could be one of those days where it just keeps grinding higher.
Yeah.
But I still want to wait for a little bit of a pullback before I go in here with anything. I'm long at 68.50, 450 on MES.
Is that a ring camera that I heard?
Artlist.io.
A ring camera?
Yeah.
Not on my end.
Okay. It just sounds like the notification for a ring camera. It could be somebody else's stream, but
Yeah, it's not mine. I don't trust ring cameras. That's just the government trying to spy on you.
Oh yeah.
Sorry, I just my Lance Mercer Kentucky Hillbilly just came out.
Right.
I haven't seen Lance in a while.
Reimagined.
Need to give Home Fries a call.
Yeah, he's probably in. Let me just scroll through this their stream over there. Yeah, he's there. He's in ASFX.
As long as he's still trading, I'm happy.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, I just heard it again. So somebody's got a ring camera going.
You might be picking up something from one of your neighbors in your headphones, because it's definitely not over here. I'm in an Airbnb. If there's a ring camera somewhere inside the house, I'm going to be a little bit pissed off.
No doubt. Well, it's it's like the notification sound on the phone when there's a motion.
Oh.
It's like doo-doo-doo-doo-doo.
My phone hasn't been turned on in 8 years, 9 years.
Really?
Yeah, I have it set up to where if my son, my mother, or my sister calls, it'll ring. That's it.
Gotcha.
Anybody else, they can leave me a message. If it's important, they will. Or they'll send me a text message.
Uh-huh.
Other than that, I don't want to talk to people. I don't want stupid freaking phone calls or anybody interrupting whatever the hell I'm doing.
No doubt.
I'm going to be a hermit by the time I'm 60. I know it. I'm going to be sitting in a jungle somewhere with a monkey on my shoulder going, what are you doing? I'm trading ES. Leave me alone.
Artlist.io.
Darren's back. Hey, Darren, what's going on with Europe and the farmers? They're storming the Capitol or something?
Music licensing
Storming the Capitol with their pitchforks and their torches.
Yeah, ES holding good on the low a day, view up, then bounce strong. Yep.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Okay, France and UK's farmers striking.
Music licensing reimagined.
Good morning, Czar.
There's Czar. Good morning.
I was wondering where you were. Missed your pretty face.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
A little bit of a pullback on gold and ES.
Yeah, sort of little wick on the top there. We do have a bullish fair value gap on NQ down at the 300 level.
We have a bullish fair value gap on ES at 863.50.
Artlist.io.
And I'm long on that.
Music licensing reimagined.
And I'm out. Another $62 per account on that one.
Nice. Solid.
I'm feeling a little scalpy today.
Yeah.
Keith is up 135 on his second account. Might call it a day. You're up 135. That's awesome.
Artlist.io.
Call it a day. Go do something fun. Get a pedicure. That's what Dave's doing. He's gonna go get a pedicure today.
Yeah. I got a haircut yesterday.
Oh, I haven't had a haircut in months.
My hair's looking skinny right now.
Music licensing reimagined.
Looks good. You're a handsome devil.
Oh, thank you, sir.
Thank you for not looking like me. I think I may do that today. Go get myself a haircut. Shaving a haircut. There's a barber in Detroit.
Artlist.io.
Dude's like 85 years old and his hands shake with a straight razor.
Oh, yeah.
Right up until he puts the razor on your face, and then it's just like perfectly smooth. I think he does it just to mess with people. Sits there and shakes his hand with a razor in it.
Artlist.io.
It's like a surgeon with a shaky hand, right?
Yeah, right.
Music licensing reimagined.
I'm very happy that Top One Futures ended up getting with Trade of 8.
No doubt, right? Makes a big difference.
Oh yeah.
Don't have to worry about the PX.
Music licensing reimagined.
Gotten a little bit fed up with special certain people trying to defend Project X. Oh, it's the best platform out there. It's just they're having some issues. They've been having issues for 2 years. I have never seen Project X do anything other than screw up.
Artlist.io.
Right.
Artlist.io.
All right, so this is a good start to a day. My funded futures accounts are up 285. Apex accounts are now up 195.
Nice.
Music licensing reimagined.
Top One Futures is up 253.48.
Artlist.io.
I think I might be calling it a day. I'm pretty happy with the way today is going.
Pretty green.
And take profits up 150 bucks.
Music licensing
So
reimagined.
yeah, I might be calling it a day now. I don't think I need to be trading anymore. I'm gonna take my own advice and not be a pig today. I'm gonna follow Keith on this one.
Nice.
Be out for the day. Besides that, it's coming up on 11 o'clock. It's about lunchtime.
Artlist.io.
It's lunchtime in Chicago. Everybody's going out to get some sausage and peppers.
Sausage and peppers?
Sausage and peppers. You from Chicago? You live on the north side?
Music licensing
By Pulaski Park. You got the vendor right there around the corner, year round. Rain, sleet, or snow. He's like the mailman. Serving sausage and peppers.
Hot dog cart?
There used to be one at the Lincoln Avenue stop on the Brown line.
Yeah.
Which is probably why I have clogged arteries and
Artlist.io.
issues. I don't really have heart issues. I feel like I should from all the sausage and peppers I ate when I was living in Chicago.
Pretty greasy.
People always go on about Chicago style pizza. I think we need to take a poll here. Who likes New York, Detroit, or Chicago style pizza? And I will judge you based on your answer. Oh, Terrence, you're doing good, Nick. Run. All right, Terrence, I'm going to take your advice today. Lock up these accounts right now. How's that sound?
Lock them.
So that one's out. Just making sure I don't have anything open here.
Music licensing reimagined.
So if anybody does not know this, if you trade my funded futures, you do have to pay for data if you want to trade YM or gold.
Interesting.
Jordan, I will kick you. What is wrong with you? Pizza Hut is good. I know you're joking. So.
Not when you got New York pizza. I mean, the New York pizza, I remember, was pretty damn good. I went to a couple restaurants when I was there, pizza restaurants.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Jordan, sick idiot. I love it. What about eating Pizza Hut in New York? Is that better? No, it's not. It's actually worse because you have so many more options.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
While I'm sitting here with you, I'm going to
Artlist.io.
set up and buy a couple more accounts.
Nice. I would say try a Blue Guardian, but they only have they don't have Trade-Evade, so maybe not ideal.
I've never used Rhythmic before, so if anyone here is familiar with it, give me a bit of an overview, if you don't mind. I'm sure Jordan has something to say. While he's taking bites of his Pizza Hut.
Can you copy trade Rhythmic also with what's it called? Trader's Post?
I believe so, but I'm not sure. I've never even looked into it. Keith says it sucks. I got a double sucks on the Rhythmic, so all right, that's
yeah. I heard most people say like don't trade Rhythmic, but
all right.
But I don't know.
I never have. I've always been
Reimagined.
I am not sure why, but I just opened up top one and my name came up in the bottom. It just said Nick J invested in instant sim funded, and then it said Randy B invested in Elite Challenge.
Interesting. That's weird.
And somebody named Kevin from Columbia, South Carolina just got an Elite Challenge.
Yeah, I've seen that before. Like I've seen that pop. Oh yeah, it said Danny D something or other. Jenna K got paid out 31.50.
Vincente from Kissimmee, Florida, got 150K Project X account.
Licensing
Oh,
reimagined.
why would you do that? Vicente, come on. It's pretty close to my son's name, so
Oh yeah,
Vincenzo.
nice.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
So the 50K top one futures accounts using ASFX code or match come out to $339.50 for an instant funded account.
Which one? The top one futures?
Mm-hmm.
I got a code with it.
That's... Oh, do you? Shit.
Yeah.
Hold on. What's your code?
MBT.
Why didn't I know that?
Yeah, you top one Lucid are my two accounts that I have.
I cannot use that coupon code. Oh, because I already put one in. Hold on.
Oh yeah, you gotta
Fabulous.
remove that. Yeah.
Yep. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. All capitals, you said?
Yep.
MTB.
MBT.
Well, God damn. Market Butcher Trades. I should know these things by now, but you know me. I'm kind of an idiot.
You got a lot going
So
on.
Market Butcher Trades.
Yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Market Butcher Trades. Agree to the privacy policy. $339.50.
Darren, gotta head out. I'll catch you tomorrow. Plus minus 40 profits today. Gonna scalp BOJ rate hike way later. And Keith said maybe dyslexic like me.
No, not dyslexic. I can't blame it on a dysfunction. I'm just plain old stupid. See you later, Darren. See you tomorrow in the morning.
Artlist.io.
Nicholas just got paid out $13.50. That's not me.
No. Different Nicholas.
No, I spell my name with an H because
That's the way to go.
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
You'd think by now I would know what my CVV code was.
What's
Three
CBB?
numbers. CVV. It's the credit card code
Oh
on
yeah,
the back of your bank card.
ours are CVC.
On top one, it says CVV.
Interesting.
All right. I just used your code
Oh,
to
thank you,
purchase
sir.
another 50K account.
Artlist.io.
You know what? I think I'm going to get another one. Trade of 8. 50K.
Music licensing reimagined.
TBM, right?
MBT.
I
Trades by Matt. DBM.
Artlist.io.
All right, MBT. Da-da-da. Get in here.
Thank you so much, sir. I usually don't get very many top one futures sales because usually people buy evals and stuff, right? They don't really, not that often go into these straight funded.
Well, you just got 2 straight to fundeds under my accounts. Now I hear that Ring doorbell thing.
That was mine.
What was
So,
that?
that
Oh,
was
okay.
mine. Yeah.
Artlist.io.
All right, cool. $700 in straight to fundeds.
Artlist.io.
As long as I take one payout from that, it'll pay for itself.
Yeah.
Sign my contracts here.
Yeah, it's nice that you can use Tradeovate now. It's makes it a little easier to decide to go that route.
Music
Oh yeah,
licensing
that was the
reimagined.
deciding factor on this one. I can set my take profits on these to stop me out, so I won't screw up the way I did with the last one.
Yeah.
I can set my take profits, keep that consistency, just by setting that up to close me out automatically.
Mm-hmm.
I can do that on Traders Post, and now that they're trading on the Tradeovate platform, I can copy trade those to 95 other accounts.
No doubt, right?
Music licensing reimagined.
So now I have 3 top one futures accounts.
Nice.
Artlist.io.
All right, Dave, it is lunchtime. I'm gonna go and load up on some more accounts to do this 100 prop firm challenge thing.
Nice. All right. Well, thanks for hanging out.
Thank you for hanging
Nice
out.
trades today.
One of them was garbage. The one where I lost $600 in like a minute and a half.
Music
Did make it back,
licensing
though.
Reimagined.
Nice trading for you. Seems like everybody in the chat was green today.
Yeah.
I love it. All right,
You
Doc.
could have a great
I
day,
will-
Nick. Okay. See
I
ya.
will see you tomorrow in the morning.
Sounds good.
licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io.
Oh, that was a little stressful, guys. Sorry, I've been focusing on long on NQ. That was freaking me out. It's just been it was like bouncing around at my entry price this whole time, and eventually found that it was holding, so I added to it, and then I just got out. So I was down 200 in that account across 4 funded accounts, and now I'm basically break even. I'm down 1650 on each account. So that was a stressful trade, actually. I hate when it just sits at the price and it just, it goes below it and it goes back to your price, and then it goes below it and it goes back to your price. It's so stressful. And should have would have held it a little bit longer there. Would have been up probably a couple hundred at this point now. But I'm not greedy, so when I can fix my failure trades from before. I know it's not the best thing to do, is you're not really supposed to trade your profit and loss, but it's pretty hard to stay away from that, right? So it's ripping right now too. Could have been up, I would have probably been up like $400 by now or something, but not gonna complain. Got aggressive on my dragging my stop up, so got myself back to basically break even on that account. So what do we got? I'm up $30 in this funded account. I'm up 60 in this funded account. So down 16 in 4 funded accounts on Lucid, and I'm up 154 in my 5 take profit evals. So 150 times 5 is 500, so 750 there, 800, 840 minus so a little under 800 on the day profit right now. Keep in mind that a lot of that is majority of that actually is in my new take profit trader eval accounts. So, but yeah, those ones stress me out the most. It's like when it's really volatile, it's not moving a whole lot, because it's just like it's building up for a good move in one direction or the other. So it's like either it's gonna rip down to my stop right away, or it's gonna like rip up to profit. When the contracts start flying at certain prices, a move's coming. It's just which way is it going to go, right? So I'm okay with a small loss like that. Oh yeah, what do I got here? Oh yeah, I got $63 in this 25k eval also. Blue Guardian eval. So Mostly green today. I do have half a mind to try to take one more trade in that those 4 funded accounts to get rid of that $16 and get a little bit of profit, but I don't know if I should be pushing my luck anymore. Especially, at least take a little break here for a few minutes. Yeah, exactly. It's that nail biting price action. It's just like flirting with your price over and over and over. And the worst is when it just kind of like gets back to your entry price and then it just rejects. It gets back to your entry, rejects. But it know what, Keith? No, I shouldn't trade anymore. That's when I'm gonna get pounded. Or the volatile movements right before the pop in the sort of unknown direction. You know, it was on NQ, and I basically, my entry was right around here at the 60s. So I was thinking, you know, it's forming a bull flag, right? And it was pulling back, but you know, it's also with that kind of a move, there's a good chance we would have got a pullback down to this area, right? So that was my stop was roughly 46, I think, and I was in at 58. So it was like a 10 or 12 point stop. So
Music licensing reimagined.
Crazy where all the buyers left. Yeah. Yeah, be happy with minus 16. I have blown many accounts trying to make 10 to get back to green, right? Yeah, right. I know, it's like $16 is nothing, right? Just pretend like it's just some fees. Basically, that's all it is, right?
Music licensing reimagined.
Trading that P&L, going from trying to make $10 to negative 200, right? Like times 4. Oh, how's the gold and silver looking here? I haven't opened that up. Oh, gold, big pop, hey? From 380 up to 392, so 12 point pop on gold there. And I recently just started looking at silver. I'm not trading it or anything, but I've heard it, you know, recently I've heard it's been pretty popular, pretty clean. And today's price action does look pretty clean, so. And yeah, Terrence, everything has slowed.
Music licensing reimagined.
So we took those orders at 25,400 there. Did we? I mean, how many orders was there? We had 500 orders there. I don't think they took them all, though. They pulled it. Oh, they did take it because it went from 166 to 624 S session volume profile. So we did take those orders there. So maybe they're gonna end up going up to 25,430 now is the next target. Okay, Keith. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Are you off to work?
Artlist.io.
Well, we hit those orders, and then now it's heading south a bit. But it just could be a...
Licensing reimagined.
Let's see if they're going to hold the 400 level here. That's quite the pullback, though, hey? On that 5-minute candle. 16 down to 84 now. That's a 30-point pullback. 36-point pullback. 38. So the 400 level did not hold. That's for sure. So it looks like they're trying to get to these orders down at 25,375.
Music licensing
And
reimagined.
bounced off them again. Trying to take them. Probably going to take them here in a second. But we got a new candle though. Its orders at 75 or there we go. Did they take them? Not quite. Not quite. They're trying so hard.
Artlist.io.
There's a buyer sitting there holding the 75s.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Emma King.
Artlist.io.
Those orders at 75, they just don't seem to want to let them take it. Seems like they have the orders at 75, but they're front running it. They're like buying it at the 50s or the 70, 76s, 77s. And pretty solid bounce back up to the 400s now, guys. This price action is pretty wild right now. So be careful if you're trading NQ.
Music licensing reimagined.
Those 75s really held there. And then they have those orders that were at 410 sold, right? Let's see here. What was that? 557 at 410. But now we got 115 at 430 above there.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Oh yeah, guys, I got two sales today thanks to Mr. Nick there. So I made $68 commission from him buying those accounts. That's pretty awesome. Oh, you shorted natural gas, Czar, after CPI? Sorry, I missed that comment a little bit earlier there. Natural gas. Do I have that loaded up here? I thought I had this queued up. Where is it? Natural gas. There's crude oil. Usually I don't trade natural gas, because it's so explosive. Ooh, wow. Yeah. Quite a sell-off. Looks like they're trying to go back to the lows right now. Pretty strong closure there too on that last candle. This kind of looks like it's a bit of a key support area too, though. I've never traded nat gas before. Where's micro natural gas?
Reimagined.
$8.20.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Might not be taking any more trades, but I am, while we're hanging out here, I'm going to work a little bit on making a couple short videos here real quick.
Artlist.io.
Just got to edit these guys up here a little bit.
Music licensing reimagined.
Okay.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. reimagined. Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Who do we still got in the channel here? We got 3 people in the YouTube, 1 in Nick's YouTube, 9 in Nick's X, and 1 in my X. Good to see y'all. I think we still probably have Czar and maybe Terrence still here. I think the other guys took off. Maybe Jordan. Guessing.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Oh, there's Tina Banks. All right, Tina. Have a good day. Sounds good, Tina.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Price action putting me to sleep. I know, right? We're just doing nothing up here. Sort of a bull flag, right? Could kind of put a little trend line like this, a little Patrick Whelan style. You get a nice little closure up above this level, and then a retest.
Artlist.io.
Could be sort of like this. So one thing about these flags is they're pretty discretionary, right?
Music licensing reimagined.
I mean, it could just be a channel too, right? Which would be a bearish one. So let's clone that. See if this lines up. Still like the longs if ES pulls back 68.60. Let's see, what do we got orders down there?
Artlist.io.
Yeah, we got 150 orders right at 68.60.
Artlist.io.
Gonna take a quick look at the Dow here too. We do have a nice bullish fair value gap right where you're talking about, and also bullish fair value gap
Music
on
licensing reimagined.
YM below its current price. So we're kind of inverting that fair value gap at the moment. Yeah, inside low volume node or the fair value gap. Yeah, I see that.
Artlist.io.
Nice bounce there from the 60s. I just don't like this. Is it value area high there? No, that's not even correct. Sorry. 68.47.
Music licensing reimagined.
Low volume node. I like that.
Artlist.io.
I really got to practice with this whole keep making some shorts here. Like if I can try to at the end of each trading session make like 1 or 2 shorts, then I can keep pumping them out. It's just hard to find the time later in the day to get those shorts playing. So
Music licensing reimagined.
long at 68, 62, last trade of the day. Okay, nice. Where are you putting your stop? Somewhere below the 60s, like 58 or something. And a nice little bounce there.
Artlist.io.
3 points. $59. Okay, nice tight stop. That's like a 3-point stop, right? Nice, yeah.
Music licensing reimagined.
Looks like he wants to go for you here. Nice hold on that fair value gap. See if they can't pop it up to 68 or something.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
All right, I uploaded one more short there.
Music licensing
Scheduled it.
reimagined.
Hey, Dad. Yeah, you're late again. Missed all the action. Me and Nick kind of broke our rules a little bit this morning and took some trades before the 50-minute set. But I mean, the price was just looking so clean at the moment that kind of had to do it.
Artlist.
Come on, there we go. ES. Let's see you break that 67 there. Watching the tape. Tape's moving pretty quick up here.
Music licensing reimagined.
Are you trailing your stop there, Jordan, or how do you like to take your profits?
Artlist.io.
Well, your stop is break even right now. Nice. Well, let's hope you get a little more bounce here. up to 70 would be nice.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I trade the same way. Once I start getting green, I'm a lot more aggressive on trying to guarantee I don't let a green trade go red, right? So currently, because I'm not logging those evaluation trades, I'm showing $28 red right now. So that's on those 4 eval accounts. I'm down. Maybe that's 4 eval accounts. I think I got a couple uploads I can do actually. I can upload these guys here. I forgot about these ones. So let's export this. This is my instant 50K. Almost forgot about some of these other accounts. They don't automatically upload. So 669, 697. That's the nice thing about the take profit or
Music licensing
Trade-Evate
reimagined.
accounts is you can sync them all. And I got this guy here. There's $61 in here, which is September 13th, 50K account. And I haven't been logging this guy. This is at 25K.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
There you go, Jordan. You gotta be up pretty nicely there.
Artlist.io.
Orders at 70, taking a bunch off of the 70s. There's about 100 there. Back to 100. I gotta reload some coffee.
Licensing
Second.
reimagined.
Oh yeah. Come on, push those highs, push those highs.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Nice. 9-point winner. Nice. 45 times however many contracts. Solid, solid.
Music licensing
It's
reimagined.
beautiful.
Artlist.io.
That's it for me. Have a great day. All right, Jordan, you too. Take care, Jordan. Have a good one. Nice trade. Nice trade. That you should definitely get an applause for that.
Music
Solid
licensing
trade, man.
reimagined.
Yeah, that fair value gap held. Very nice. How does Lucid prop firms work? Lucid's pretty awesome. They have like a one-time fee, so there's no activation fee. If I would definitely say the test accounts are the way to go. You can get in, I think, roughly around $100 for a test account if you use my code there, MBT. And like I said, there's no activation fee. You can pass it in one day, and they have pretty good rules in regards to trading. In they're not going to punish you for scaling into trades. And then their payouts pretty good too. They're really fast payouts. You have to trade a minimum of 8 days though between payouts. But anything over, from my understanding, is if you're in a 50K account, anything over 2100, you can request a payout as long as you're after the 8 days of trading. But yeah, so I'm copy trading. I have 4 funded accounts right now with them, and 2 evaluation accounts that I'm working on passing. Did I trade the eval today? Eval 4001. Yeah, I forgot about that. I traded their eval today. I made 350 in one of the evals. I don't think did I upload that one?
Music licensing.
Yeah, anyways, I'm up 350 in that account too on the day. So, but I would definitely spend a few minutes, go over the FAQ page, right? And find out any details you need to know. You can't trade faster than, I think it's 5 seconds per trade. So they're a little bit better than some of the other firms where they require like 10 seconds per in a trade. So in the case that you put your TP and it just rips your take profit before the 10 seconds, you don't have to worry about not getting credit for that. Yeah, but the best thing is they have a really good price. Their customer service is amazing, and there's no activation fee. It's like a one-time fee, right? So you pass that eval, you're going to get into your funded account, and then once you get over the buffer and you traded for 8 days, you can start taking payouts. I think the maximum payout's 1,500 for your first one, and I think it goes up a bit after that. So if you got to you got your funded account up to 3,600, you could take a $1,500 payout and still be above the buffer. And once you get up to that 2,100, the buffer locks. So then if you get below 50,100, that's when you'd lose the account, right? So that's the nice thing. Once you get above that buffer, it locks. You don't have to worry about the end of day trailing drawdown. So overall, really good firm. Price is good. Yeah. And you can trade on Tradeovate with them. So you don't have to worry about Project X and all those issues that they're having. That's what I did. I migrated all my accounts over to Tradeovate. Oh, excuse me.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
Yeah, so this is Lucid here. Let's see if you guys can see this. Actually, I'll pull this over so it's fully clear. Yeah, so they got 10 million plus paid to traders, 14,000 traders. Average payout time is only 15 minutes. and they have a really solid Trustpilot rating, 4.8 out of 5. So step one, you're going to pass the test or get a direct account, end of day drawdowns, 10-to-1 micro scaling, no hard breach rules. Step two, trade to earn the payout. So it's a 90-10 split, no payout windows. So you don't have to wait to a certain date to take your withdrawals. The rules are clear and simple. And then you have the transition to live. If you pass those, you're allowed to swing trade, so you can hold it overnight. You can withdraw funds daily, and you can set up custom risk settings. And then after that, trade with real capital, build a live track record, earn incentives, and access firm resources. So if you come down here to the 100 or the 50K account, it's actually $96 right now with my discount code MBT. So your profit target is 3,000. Your max loss limit is 2,000. End of day drawdown, daily loss limit of 1,200. And your max size is 4 minis or 40 micros for the 50K account. I think it's the best account to go with. And then, they have this Lucid Flex one, which is a little bit cheaper. The rules are slightly different. So you still got 3,000 target, max loss limit of 2,000, end of day drawdown, no daily drawdown, daily loss limit, but they have a consistency score, so you can't pass this one in one day. You gotta pass it in 2 days. So if you make 1,500 one day, you gotta wait and trade the next day and try to get another 1,500. So again, max size, activation fee free, daily loss limit none, and no consistency once you get into the funded account from the Flex. And then Lucid Direct is their straight to funded account. 50K is regular 500. You can get it for 343. Max loss limit of 2,000. End of day drawdown. Daily loss limit is 1,200, but it trails. So as you can see, this Lucid scale daily loss limit is so as you grow the account, this daily loss limit grows with you. So you get 60% of the peak end of day drawdown is your new daily loss limit. You got a 20% consistency rule here, so you do have to on the direct account, you need to make sure you get down to the 20% consistency. Max size is 4 minis or 40 micros like usual, and then they got the 8 days to pay out and the max accounts of 5 accounts. So trader dashboard is real time and it's straight to funded. So see the funded, after you pass it, here's the rules on the funded, right? So once you've passed a 50K, your max loss limit is now 2,000. You have your daily loss limit of 1,200. Lucid scale, so again, it scales up. So the more profit you put in your account, the higher your daily loss limit will be. You do have a 40% consistency score, which is really good because I don't know about you guys, but that's pretty easy. So it's like, almost half of the profit. So minimum days to profit is 5 days of $100 in these 50K accounts. So you got to at least have 5 days of 100 and then, 5 days to pay out. So activation fee is $0. So it's free. You can move to the live capital and you got to take 6 payouts to get to live. That kind of runs it down for you there. Hope that helps. But yeah, I love these guys. So I have 1 direct account and I have 3 funded accounts. And grinding those guys up here, slow and steady. Let's just get this back over here. So
Music licensing reimagined. Artlist
Starting to get a bit more of a pullback here. I haven't gotten a payout with Lucid yet. I've taken payouts with Top One Futures. I haven't been trading with them that long. Like I said, I just passed 3 of my 5 evals, and now I'm at the funded stage. So working on getting payouts from them. I do know other traders that have gotten payouts from them, and yeah, they're super fast. But yeah, I haven't. I've only taken payouts with Top One Futures so far. But I will definitely let you know when I do. Slowly grinding my way to the payouts with there. I'm trying to copy trade 4 accounts at once, so yeah, working on grinding my way up to try to get some payouts out there. Being really conservative because I'm trading 4 accounts at once. don't want to take too much of a loss. We got 14 viewers right now. We got 5 in my YouTube, 8 in Nick's X, and 1 in my X. So thanks everybody for tuning in to the stream. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for the questions there, Jose. Hopefully I'm helpful in some sense.
Artlist.io. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So yeah, so to get a payout from the pro accounts that's when you pass the evaluation, right? What you need to do is you have a minimum daily profit of $100 on 5 days. You have a consistency score is less than 40%, which is really easy. And then as soon as you get over 52,100 buffer balance, you can start taking withdrawals. So once you meet all 3 of those criteria, you can request a payout of 500 to 2,500 depending on your payout cycle. So a minimum of $500 in profit, I guess, over the buffer zone. So I guess if you get to 2,600, you could take a $500 payout across your accounts.
Artlist.io.
After that, you can take out payout number 1 and 2 is 1,500 each. Payout 3 and 4 is 2,000 or the 25,400 level. So this guy got inverted, obviously. Late to the party here.
Artlist.io.
Yeah, there's a lot to learn about them. Just you know, the most important stuff to know is like, how much drawdown, basically, how much can you lose, right? They're all relatively the same, and usually the more money you pay them, the more amount of drawdown you're allowed to take, right? That's pretty key. And then the style of drawdown. So there's, end of day drawdown, which is better because, if you take a loss early on, or if you take a winner early on and then you lose it, it doesn't really affect your overall, drawdown, because it's whatever it is at the end of the day, right? So some of them have what's called intraday trailing drawdown. So intraday trailing drawdown means, like, let's say you're up $1,000 in a trade, right? It's gonna make the highest point of your drawdown is gonna be where it moves the drawdown. So like if you get up 1,000 and then you end up going back to zero, you actually lose $1,000 out of your drawdown. So intraday trailing drawdown is much harder way to trade it. So you got to be really aggressive taking your profits and not letting the price come back, because it always goes by the highest point of your account, so like I said, if say you got a brand new account, you take a trade long and you're up $500, right? And then it goes back to break even and you get stopped out, then that 500 comes off of the drawdown. So that's why the intraday trailing drawdown is not as good, right? Whereas if you trade, like the firms that I trade have end of day drawdown, so then it doesn't really matter if you give some money back on the trade. It's fine, because it matters what the end of the day like value of your account is, rather than the highest point during the day. So it's a little bit safer, and that's what it is. It's all about that drawdown, right? And then after that, it's just kind of like some of the rules that they require you to pay attention to in regards to you can't make too much profit in one day. They have the consistency score. So if it's a 20% consistency score, then you got to you take your highest winning day, multiply it by 5, and that would be your profit target. So you got to be careful not to make too much money in one trade if there's a consistency score. Now, some accounts don't have consistency scores, but these ones do. But they're relatively safe. Like if you go the Lucid test account route and then you pass it and you get to a funded pro account, it's 40% consistency rule, and that's pretty easy. So basically, almost a little bit less than times 2, and it's going to be fine. So if you made $1,000 and you make another $1,000 one day, you're going to only have to make a little bit more profit to meet that consistency score, right? So, yeah. So if you're going to go straight to funded, like if you want to buy an account that you don't have to pass, which if you're newer, I wouldn't recommend that. Then Top 1 Futures is a great way to go. But if you're thinking that you want to do test accounts and pass those and then get into funded accounts from passing test accounts, then I would say Lucid is the way to go. I do have discount codes with both of them. Obviously, if you're thinking to buy one, I would definitely appreciate it if you use that code. But no, I'm not trying to pressure anyone into buying any accounts. It's just a little side thing. If I can make a little extra money on the side, I appreciate it. But I'm here just to, to trade on YouTube for transparency and to help myself with being accountable, right? Because trading's a pretty lonely gig. So if you can practice being accountable and transparent, then you're going to do better overall. Like my trading has gotten a lot better actually since I started going on YouTube, because I'm more concerned about taking a bad trade and then having some of the viewers following us, even though we recommend that you trade your own trade, but often people do follow you, and then if you end up taking a loss, you know, people kind of want to blame it on you. So, oh, you're welcome, Jose. No problem. A little bit of a long-winded answer, but there's a lot to it, right? So you gotta spend a little time learning all that stuff. So we got the Dow pulling back pretty heavily. NQ's pulling back pretty strong right now too.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined. Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
All right. Well, I just took a little scalp there on my funded accounts. Let me just make sure I don't have any orders floating. Close that. So I got my funded accounts back to positive $8. So took a little scalp there on that pullback on the NQ. So those were down $16 in each account. Originally had them down almost 200, a little over 200 actually. Got that back in a nice NQ long trade earlier. And yeah, so got those guys back green there on that little trade. There we go. So ES pulling back pretty heavy here. We do have this bullish fair value gap still in this area. Now, whether or not this is going to hold, I don't know. And we did have one here that got inverted on that one candle closure there. So this guy's an inverted fair value gap. Technically, we could wait for a retest rejection out of there. But hey guys, it's 9 a.m. here, which is noon basically for you guys. So I think I'm just going to wrap up the stream here. Say what's up to everybody who's in the channel here. We got 5 in my YouTube, 8 in Nick's X channel, and 1 in my X channel. So appreciate you guys tuning in. As per usual, thanks Jose here. We got Jordan earlier. My dad was here. Who else we got? We had Tina and Terrence and Keith. The usual suspects, Czar. Darren was here earlier also. Darren was thinking of asking about possibly joining our stream in the new year. That'd be interesting. It'd be always good to have somebody else on. We had Evan earlier too, between here and there. And I think that was pretty much it for everybody there. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's everybody that was here this morning, or that was talking in the chat anyways. So heading below this fair value gap here. What do we got? 3 minutes and 40 seconds. Lots of volume currently at this little price here. So it'll be interesting to see what they're going to try to do down here. Are they going to just keep pushing it lower or not? We're coming into a bullish fair value gap on the 5-minute here also. So good way to potentially trade these guys as you mark out the 50% point and consider taking a long in that area. But I'm not going to take this with this type of three red bars or three sell-off bars in a row. Not that interested. We do have the overnight VWAP and the, I guess that would be Tuesday's VWAP, sort of at 36 level here, somewhere around this level. So that could be a pretty key area to hold. We did break below the VWAP though, which is at the value area high. I'll pop that on there real quick. As you can see, we took that pretty heavily. Looking like we're going to invert this fair value gap. Change it yellow now. We got 2 minutes left. You never know. It could bounce above that still. But if they're going to hold it anywhere, this is probably going to be the level to hold, right? So NQ ripping down also now.
Music licensing reimagined.
Just right at the New York VWAP. Just inverted a fair value gap on NQ, or trying to anyways. Let's see if this candle closes. It might stick around here just for a couple more minutes. We're getting a bit of volatility right now, so got this reversal happening.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
So we're getting down to that VWAP. Trying to bounce it a bit there. This is with those types of candles, so it's pretty hard to take a long right now. I definitely wouldn't recommend it, even though we do have this fair value gap and we have some VWAPs hanging out right at this level. Pretty hard to take it though.
Artlist.io.
Be better off to look for a pullback and then an entry on a short position.
Artlist.io.
So my dashboard, what does my dashboard say on the day? Up $61. That doesn't seem right. We got 61 in this account, 61.30 in this account.
Music licensing reimagined.
Let me see. Maybe I need to refresh. I think some of my accounts are. Oh yeah, that's why my accounts are unselected. That's why. I don't know how that happened. I must have accidentally clicked something off there. There we go. I was like looking at my calendar, it looks all weird. Yeah, so we're up $93 on the day. Not too bad.
Music licensing reimagined.
Took a few losses early on, recovered them. So pretty happy to be green on the day. But yeah, so
Artlist.io. Artlist.io.
All right, so we did invert this fair value gap too. Like I was saying, it's not really one that I'm looking to take a trade in after we do this kind of like heavy fall, right?
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
150 times 5, right? I'm up 150 times 5 in my TPT accounts. 150, yeah, so 500, 750 plus. I put in this evaluation account, I put in 355. 750, 8, 9, 10, 1,050, 1,100 plus this guy 1130.
Artlist.io. Music licensing reimagined.
Yeah, looking pretty heavy. Hey guys, coulda, shoulda, woulda taken a short up there. You know, when I'm saying, oh, it's looking so heavy, can't take a long, maybe that's an indication I should be taking a short, right? But yeah, I'm gonna wrap it up here, guys. It's 12:15 lunchtime in New York area, so got to get on with my day. So again, thanks a lot everybody for tuning in. We have 4 people in my YouTube, 8 in Nick's X, 1 in my X. So peace out everybody, have a good day, stay green, and we'll be back at least tomorrow morning live. I might come back later tonight for there's a BOJ this evening. Let's see if I'm home and I have some free time, I might pop on to do a little stream this evening during that BOJ event. So anyways, guys, it was a pleasure hanging out with you guys, and you have a great day. Peace out.